Hi, my name is Erin Ralston, and I'm an attorney with the Veterans Benefit Group of Goodman, Allen, Donnelly. If you are watching this video today live, we encourage you to please write in with comments. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have live. If you're watching this broadcast after the fact, then feel free to leave a comment and we'll follow up with you as soon as we can. So today we're going to be talking to you about what are the benefits of having an attorney represent you on your claim before the VA. And I think it's important for veterans to understand that attorneys have been trained. We have certain legal training that helps us in interpreting the regulations and the statutes and the understanding the case law so that we know how that impacts your particular case. And importantly, when there are changes that happen in the law, then we are able to analyze them and see how it affects your case and work with you to determine what the next step should be based on those changes.
Hi, and I'm attorney Nancy Foti, and I work with Erin Ralston as part of the Veterans Benefit Practice Group of Goodman, Allen, Donnelly. And another benefit of having an attorney represent you before the Department of Veterans Affairs is that we're trained in identifying the issues that have prevented you from winning your case. So many times we see veterans who will submit the same evidence over and over and over to the VA and they keep getting denied, and they wonder, and they call and say, what is it about, why do I keep getting denied? It's obvious that I have this disability and VA just won't pay me. So it's very frustrating for them, and they don't understand why that evidence is not good enough. So we can help them, because we have been trained in these matters, to help them identify what information is missing. We can help identify how quickly we can gather the evidence that we need and solve the problem, so we can remove the obstacle so that you can get the benefits that you are deserving of.
The other important thing too is that as attorneys we are able to represent you at all stages of your appeal. So whether your claim is still at the regional office or you've appealed it to the the Board of Veterans Appeals, and even if you decide that you want to take an appeal to the U.S. Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims or the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, we can stay on that case with you and work with you throughout the entire appeals process.
We also have, one of the benefits of working with our law firm is we have access to VA's computer system, so we can get the most current status of your case. So we can log in and see what is happening if we are your representative. I think that is beneficial because we can see whether you received a recent decision or any letter, and we can kind of discuss, and so we're more up to date so we can work with you.
Another great thing about our firm in particular is that we have a group of attorneys that have dedicated their entire legal career to helping veterans. So if we do come into your case, you'll have a dedicated attorney and a case manager who will work with you, and this will help so that there's some continuity there with your representation. Our firm will be familiar with your case throughout the appeal, so you don't have to feel as if you're starting from the beginning again every time your appeal moves to a different court.
So with that said, we won't stop until we have secured all available benefits to you. This means that if you get a decision, if we represent you and you get a decision, we will review that decision, and if there's any benefits that you may qualify for that you weren't already awarded, we could discuss that with you and see if that's something that you want to pursue. And if so, we can help. Many times a decision may open doors to other benefits that are available. So we can work with you on that because we have been trained to identify those pretty quickly.
The other great thing for veterans, is that we work on a contingent fee basis. So that means that there is no upfront cost to the veteran for our legal services. And we also don't get paid unless we win the case. So that means that there aren't any out-of-pocket fees for the veteran to get legal representation.
So whether you're thinking about filing a claim or received a denial from the VA, give us a call for a free consultation, and you can call us at 1-877-838-1010, or you can look at our website is www.vet1010.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.